BFB.
So tasty.
Ruby, step aside. I know how you're really supposed to use these things. Hello? Hello?
This is an FCC-required monthly test of the emergency alert system. It is being done in conjunction with a NOAA weather radio test of the tsunami warning system. If this were an actual tsunami warning, the National Weather Service would instantly broadcast this information via all available means to inform coastal areas of the impending hazard. This is only a test. This concludes the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Together. Will you stay with me, Bottle?
I don't know what you mean, but given the choice, I'd totally ditch you.
No, why is this happening?